The energy transition is pushing all countries around the world to deploy more and more renewable energies, to deploy e-mobility everywhere. Great, but this create raw material tension on the supply chain. And at MAGREESOURCE we want to overcome these issues by proposing an innovative magnet-to-magnet business model. Basically, we are a spin-off of CNRS in Grenoble. We have developed hydrogen-based recycling technology to create new raw material from scraps, from magnet scraps, and be able to retransform that into new magnets by innovative technologies like additive manufacturing. Basically, today recycling is the only solution to be able to sustain the new growth of e-mobility and the energy transition.